Hey guys, it's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. Today I will be showing you a very cool piping technique with which you can make a basket weave design on the cake. It is very simple and it looks stunning. So without any further ado, let's get started. You can start with any cake you want. I am using some red velvet cake which I have leveled and also cut in two, so now I have 4 layers, and now I have also soaked them in simple syrup. You should also do this since this will keep your cake moist when we will keep it in the refrigerator. So now first we have to choose on what we will build our cake. I am using a cake board. You can also use a cake stand or a cake drum. So onto a cake turntable we will place that, and then we will start stacking our cake. So first take your icing and apply a little bit in the center of the board. This will ensure that the cake does not move while we are decorating. So first we will place one of our layers. And now using an offset spatula we will spread our icing. Once we have almost smoothened it out, now we will place a second layer and continue stacking our cake. Our last layer we will place it upside down so that the flat part is on the top, and then we get a plain level on the top for icing. Now since we have stacked our cake, we will crumb coat it. After we finish our crumb coat, we will keep this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of chilling in the fridge, now we will give a final coat to our cake. The final coat does not have to be too thick because our basket weave design will be thick enough. This time we will use a long straight spatula. Once our final coat is done, we will now start the basket weave design on the sides. To make the basket weave design in a piping bag, take a large open star nozzle and fill it with the icing. Now the first step to making a basket weave design is to make a vertical line. Once we have a vertical line, now we will pipe horizontal lines 3 to 4, leaving the gap of this nozzle in between. And now we will continue doing this. And this is how the final piping should look like of a basket weave cake. Now we have to make our flowers for the top of our cake. So I am using 3 colors, which are purple, yellow and pink. You can use any which you like. And all of the piping bags are fitted with petal tips, but all with different sizes. This will just give it a bit of contrast. If you want, you can use the same sizes. Now we will pipe our roses. So I am showing you with one color. For that you will need a flower nail. And first we have to pipe a little mound like this. Once we have piped that, we will make a small circle on top like this. And now we will make 3 petals. And now we will make 5 and then 7. And this is how a final rose looks. And now we will transfer our rose from the flower nail to our cake. For that we will use a pair of scissors. Open it, pick it up and then just gently keep it. And now we will continue to keep the rest of our roses on the cake. Once we have piped and transferred all of our flowers, now it is the final touches, which will be our leaves. So I have placed a leaf tip with green icing in a piping bag, and then all the spaces that you can see, just fill it up with leaves. You can make this basket weave with this tip also. This is a traditional basket weave tip, but I chose to do with a large piping tip, that too star one, because it gives a very nice effect. So you can choose whichever you want and make this beautiful design on your cake. Even if you are a beginner, this won't be difficult. Now if you make this cake, then don't forget to send me the pictures or Post it in your social media and tag me in them, for which all of my social media links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. I will see you soon. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.